Are you fascinated where to go to eliminate those dark spots on your face? If you've had too much sun exposure, then you can most probably blame that for those dark spots, known as hyperpigmentation. These spots occurs generally in the exposed skin areas like face, neck, chest, back, shoulders. Weak liver functioning, acne, vitamin deficiencies, etc. can also contribute to these dark spots. These spots are generally dangerous to skin, but the biggest problem is that they make us ugly. There are many treatments and creams you can get in the market, but natural remedy will help you more, without any side effects. Some factors that can lead to this condition are overexposure to the sun, lack of sleep, too much stress, pregnancies, certain medications. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is anti-inflammatory and has antibacterial properties, so is a great tool in your scar treatment arsenal. Instruction: mix 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 2 or 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Apply it to the scar. Rinse it off with cold water after 10 to 15 minutes. Use once daily. Lemon juice. Lemon works as a natural bleach and helps lighten any kind of scars on your skin. It removes dead skin cells, promotes new skin cell growth and improves skin elasticity. Instruction: mix 1 teaspoon lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. Apply to your acne scars before going to bed. Wash it off the next morning. Baking soda. Baking soda works as a mild exfoliant to help fade the scar tissue by layers. Gradually add some water to a teaspoon of baking soda to make a thick paste. Half teaspoon water is about right. Wash your skin with warm water and dab it dry. Apply baking soda paste on the dark spots. Gently massage in circular motion and leave it 2 or 5 minutes. Potato. The high starch content helps fade scars and blemishes. Slice up a potato. Instruction: place 1 slice directly onto the hyperpigmented area. Leave it on for a few minutes and then wash your face with lukewarm water. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is loaded with skin healing properties. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Instruction: make a thick paste of 2 teaspoons of turmeric, a little milk, and some lemon juice. Apply it onto the skin affected by black spots. Leave it on for a few minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water. Apple cider vinegar. ACV contains acetic, citric, lactic, and succinic acid. It's strongly acidic by nature and therefore should be used with caution on the skin. Instruction: mix equal quantities of apple cider vinegar and water in a bowl. Stir well and apply on the dark spots. You can also try and mix a few drops of lemon juice with the vinegar. Another recipe is to combine 3 tablespoons of orange juice and half tablespoon of vinegar. Buttermilk. Buttermilk. The lactic acid in buttermilk may help lighten sunspots when applied to the skin. Instruction: apply buttermilk to dark spots and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and finish off with your favorite serum. If you have oily skin or suffering from acne, add a little lemon or lime juice. Honey. The honey has antibiotic and healing properties. It can help treat acne as well help clear scar. Instruction: apply honey on the scars, cover it with a bandage or gauze and leave it on overnight. In the morning, wash it off with warm water. Repeat daily before going to bed.